Welcome, my dear students, to our English online session. Previous class, we studied about comprehension passage, grammar, and writing parts. Today, we will see picture reading, story writing. By seeing the picture, how you will frame a story. Children, you are small, so identify the picture and replace the picture with the name. By seeing the picture only you can say the word, na, what that picture belongs to. So today we will do that. You can see this page. What is this about? You can see the first picture tells you that BUS, it is bus, then boat, then beach, bag, burger, ball, bat, banana, balloons, bed, bowl. See children, the pronunciation is very important. That is B-O-W-L, bowl. Okay, so here we have taken some words from B. Some words from the letter B. In the middle of the story, I have given some other pictures also, children, to identify, and beside that also I have given the name of that. So, my dear students, like this, if we will give the picture, you need to replace that picture with the given word. So, first starting we will see what is that picture is, and then we will write by replacing the picture with the word. We will learn this today, children. See, Basil was going to the, picture is given, for a picnic with his friends. I repeat, Basil was going to the, for a picnic with his friends. What is the picture given? You should replace it. He got up early as he always liked to be punctual. I have given the meaning of punctual, children. Punctual means on time. Always you need to be punctual to your works. Okay? You should be punctual to your school. You should be punctual to your duties. Punctuality means, children, you should do your work on time. Okay? Punctual, on time. Who has the time sense, they will be punctual. Sharp 8:45 you should be in the school, means you should be 8:45 in the school. Okay? Punctual means, the meaning of punctual means, children, on time. My dear good students, you learn meanings also. All the students left for the, by, the continuation, children. When, by bus. When they got to the dash, they saw a blue color dash sailing in the water. Dash means, here the picture is given. Afterwards you need to say what is that blue color picture is. That is beach and boat. I told you na, before boat, which I have given you in the picture before. The dash was so beautiful. It is filled with beach. The picture is given there, means you should write in that picture beach. They built sand castles. Sand castles means, children, you can see the picture I have kept here. Here this boy is making sand castles. Okay, castles made by sand. They built sand castles and played cricket with a bat and ball. Here dash dash means where the picture of bat is given, you need to write bat. Where is the picture of ball is given, you need to write ball. Okay, children. Here the meanings of sand castle is nothing but a castle made of sand. Okay. The teacher opened a dash and gave them each a dash to eat. What is the picture there? What is the picture? Bag. Picture is bag's picture and burger. What teacher opened? She opened a bag and gave them each a burger to eat. Basil saw a poor boy watching him. So what he did, a poor boy was watching him that what he is eating. So he took half of the burger, the dash, that is burger picture is given a children, burger, and shared it with him. His teacher praised, means wow, what a good work you have done. Praised him for sharing. Children, while you are eating, if anyone is beside you, you need to share your food. Okay, sharing. If anyone doesn't have pencil, you need to give them. So, like that, sharing your things is very good, children. Very good habit. Sharing takes caring. So, his friend gave him a banana. His friend, by seeing this, another friend gave him a banana also. Dash means there you should keep banana. You should, well, writing we will write, children. And other children too shared their chocolates with other poor children. So what Basil did, he gave a poor child his half of the burger. Then by seeing that his friends also children who went with Basil near to the beach, they also started sharing their food like banana, chocolates, whatever they have brought with them. They started sharing with the poor children. Okay. The teacher was proud of her boys and bought them blue balloons. So, by seeing teacher felt very happy. When you do some good things, your parents will be also happy. What a kind boy. Okay. When you should need to show your generosity, kindness. Okay. They had a lot of fun on the dash. What is this picture? It is beach. So you should write, they had lot of fun on the beach. When Basil came home, he told his mother all about the picnic. Means where they have gone to the beach, what they have done. They have played very much and they have sailed in the boat and they had a lot of fun. They shared the food and he gave the food to the poor child. With that, children also shared their food. Teacher felt very happy by giving the balloons. So this all story Basil told to his mother. His mother too was proud of him. His mother also felt very happy. Oh, my dear good child, you have done a great job. So, mother also appreciated Basil. He gave his balloon to his little brother. See, Basil, how much kind boy. What teacher gave balloons to them? He brought one balloon to his little brother, and went into the bathroom to have a bath. His mother gave him a bowl of soup, okay, bowl filled with soup, and laid him to sleep on his cozy. What is the picture? It is a picture of bed. And cozy means comfortable bed. So cozy gives the meaning of comfortable. When you have the sleep, you will have good sleep on your soft cozy bed. So children, now I will show you that how you need to replace the word with that and you have to frame a story. As it is, you should write. This is somewhat lengthy story, children, but simple 80 or 50 words a story also we can write it. But only one thing, you need to improve your writing. I have written for you like this, children. I have underlined also. So Basil was going to the beach for a picnic with his friends. He got up early as he always liked to be punctual. All the students left for the beach by bus. What is the picture has been given? I have replaced that picture with this words, children. That's why the words I have underlined. Okay, have you understood, children? My dear students, nothing but take out the picture and replace the picture with the word. It is very easy for you to identify and write as a picture description. Okay, as a story form. When they got to the beach, they saw a blue color boat sailing in the water. The beach was so beautiful. Okay, the beach was so beautiful. While sailing in the boat only, you can see how much beautiful the beach was. They built sand castles and played cricket with a bat and ball. They also enjoyed playing cricket in the beach. The teacher opened the bag, is nothing but her handbag, and gave them each a burger to eat. Again, I replaced here the burger for you to better understand. Burger to eat. Basil saw a poor boy. I have placed boy also like this. You can have this kind of boy cut boy. Watching, you can have two eyes also. Watching him, he took half the burger. I have written here burger, children, and shared it with him. Okay, all here him is nothing but the poor boy. Okay, he shared his burger, half of the burger with the poor child. His teacher praised him for sharing. Okay, teacher praised Basil for sharing. So his friend and gave him a banana, and other children too shared their chocolates with the other poor children. So here chocolates like this. If I will give chocolates, you should write chocolates there. Okay, if I give a banana picture, you need to write the banana there. Understood, children? Simply in front of that, what is the word belong to, you need to write it. Okay, we have learned the fruits names also, na? The things names also we have learned, that bottle, mug, pencil, eraser. We have learned in the textbook only, na children? So identify the picture and you have to write the word. My dear good students. The teacher was proud of her boys and bought them blue balloons. Here, which color balloons I have kept for you? Okay, here I have given you orange, dark orange color balloons. Okay, they had a lot of fun on the beach. You can see another beach picture I have given you here. When Basil came home, you can see that and you can write home. He told his mother about the picnic. So my dear students, not only the B letters and B forms, we can frame any kind of picture. By seeing that, we need to write. Suppose I will keep a cap picture. You have to write cap. Pencil. Okay, these kind of pictures if I will get, I will show you the picture and underline there. You need, by seeing the picture, you need to write there. Okay, beside only I will keep. It will be very easy for you. By seeing the picture, what you will write? The spelling. Okay, if everything I will give you without learning the spelling, you can't write, na children. So please learn the spellings also. He gave his balloon to his little brother and went into the bathroom to have a bath. His mother gave him a bowl of soup. You can see the bowl is filled with the soup. So bowl of soup, and laid him to sleep on his cozy bed. So my dear students, this is a story. So after telling the story, you need to write a moral. Compulsory moral is necessary. What is the moral you are giving? We should always be punctual. I told you, na? You should be always need to be punctual to your works and duties. We must share our things with the needy. Needy means those who don't have the food to eat, the things to have. You need to help them. So punctuality makes a man perfect. We should respect the time, children, and be punctual. Don't never you should do late. Anything if mama will say, teachers will say you to complete the work, you need to complete on time. So punctuality shows a person's nothing but dignity. you are a punctual to the school. Very good boy, very good girl. So punctuality is compulsory for everyone. We need to help and share the needy people. So this story tells the moral as we should always be punctual. We must share our things with the needy. So my dear students, today we have learned the story. By seeing the picture, we can frame a good story. So my dear students, keep learning. Happy day. Have enjoy and learning children and all the best for your exams. Write well. Okay children, you practice reading and listening the classes. Thank you. Thank you very much children. Afterwards, you have to write the story and practice also children. Have a nice day.